Hey everyone, Tyler with Lowbrow Customs. I am here to show you something that seems small and insignificant, but we are pretty pumped on this product. These are our new premium 39mm fork seal covers. If you've ever used a set of these that are not OEM Harley, then you will also be excited because ours actually fit. The really common issue with any that are available until now are you would go to install them on your lower legs, they come nowhere close to fitting. You'd try and beat it on there. People grind down their legs to make the covers fit, grind the inside of their covers to try and make it fit. And we were sick of dealing with that and thought, why don't we just make ones that actually work? So we did. The issue with others, which I'll show you, so other brands that make these, they're just nowhere close to being correct, which I will show you as this is just a stock 39mm narrow glide leg as found on Sportsters 87 and up, as well as FXRs and some other bikes. But if we go ahead, slide that on and look at how it engages, it barely will fit over that taper. And we'll use our handy dandy 39mm fork tube tool. Slam it on there. And it doesn't even come close to fitting. You could probably beat it on with a hammer if you didn't have your leg assembled, but when you're putting these caps on, PVC or a seal driver tool should just knock it in place. But these, by the time I beat this on there, it'll probably be marred up and out of shape. That is definitely not what you want, is to have to beat the hell out of a seal cover to get it on there. And when we remove that, you can actually see, just from using that piece of PVC, it actually created a ridge displacing some of the aluminum because that fit was poor. All right, and now on to the other option, which is the Lowbrow Customs Premium 39mm fork seal covers. Got narrow glide Sportsters 87 up. This guy, and you would install these on your fork legs typically when you're assembling them. So the tube would be like this, you slide it over, fits nicely over that taper. Grabbing our handy dandy fork tool again. Fits like a glove. One easy whack, it's in place, there's no frustration. No warping, no grinding or modifying your legs, no crushing or dimpling of the cover itself, and you can move on to the next step of your project. So if you need a set of these, check out lowbrowcustoms.com. We have what you need, as well as many, many thousands of other parts. Thanks very much.